This is Stanislaus High School. The boys of 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th and 9th on their trip to Bordi. At this moment of time, the guys over here are making a sand castle. Can you tell me your name?
Hussein.
Hussein, what's your name?
Manas.
Okay, this is Manas and Hussein. Manas and Hussein making a sand castle, but there is nothing which has come up yet. So we are going to the next sand castle over here. This is made by, what's your name?
Aditya.
Aditya, what's your name? Sorry?
Viraj.
And what's your name?
Nathan.
Nathan. These guys have made a lovely sand castle with actually a tunnel over here, and it's going on the other side, and they've got a lovely flag post over here. So guys, can we give a big hand to these lovely guys out here? Okay, so this is the other group which is really trying hard. Their sand castle is slowly coming on top, but they're trying their best. What's your name?
Yash.
Yash, and what's yours?
Rohan.
Okay, there's Yash and Rohan out here. And those are the teachers. Can you wave, guys? Those are the teachers over there. These are the teachers of Stanislaus High School who are taking the boys out to the Bordi trip and who are having a great time on the beach. These are the boys out there. And this is Sir Pathak, who has organized the entire trip along with Sir Neville. And a big thank you to Bhavesh from Red Cross, who's actually taking the guys out here for an educational trip, teaching them about nature. So Bhavesh, a big thank you from the guys.
Are you outside?
This is day 2 of the Bordi trip. Students of St. Stanislaus High School of the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. At this moment of time on day 2, they have been taken to a walk at Bordi Beach. That's Sir Pathak and Sir Neville. Guys, you want to say a big hello to the camera, all of you guys? Day 2 at Bordi Beach at the morning, taking their PT instructions from Sir Neville, who's actually giving them instructions of exercises. And these are the guys following Sir Neville at this moment of time. Teaching them to freshen up early morning.
Yeah. Down. Now, take a deep breath behind the side. Breathe in when you go up your toes, and then breathe out when you go down, and touch your toes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Together. Other side. Breathe in. Up. Hold your breath. Release your breath while going down. Release your breath. Down, slowly. Touch your toes. Wait there.
This is Sir Pathak giving instructions on yoga to the students on Bordi Beach.
Dhyan Mudra, this is called. If you are sitting in
Only Sir Pathak's voice I want to hear, nobody else's voice.
those two voices count.
You can't see, what do you see? Come here, not
When you are in Dhyan Mudra,
You don't worry about here.
good for your concentration. अगर कोई चीज पढ़ते हो तो जल्दी याद आएगा, जल्दी याद आएगा. और
Sit.
this pranayam is only we have to breathe in and breathe out. सबसे पहला प्राणायाम है भस्त्रिका.
सर आशीष यही करता है.
हाँ.
आशीष का पसंद आ गया था.
And if you do this, then you will not have heart attack, all other reasons. हाँ. Close your eyes. हाँ. Breathe in and breathe out.
सर ऐसा हो गया जिससे मरते नहीं.
इससे ही नहीं मरोगे. ऐसा करो, हाथ ऐसा करो.
Come on. Who is laughing is fooling around there?
So every day you do this.
So the boys hold it properly. I want to get back straight. I'm coming to your back now. Straight.
Sit straight.
Sit straight. Upright.
You can remember my lessons, yeah?
If you come, then there will be
The titles.
no holiday. ये पहला एक्सरसाइज है. दूसरा है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. Start from left nostril and inhaling and exhaling only.
सर सब वाटत है एक्स्ट्रा जूम मारो. टायर को भी एक्स्ट्रा जूम मारो.
Come on, do it properly.
Don't talk.
Reason of doing this, basically to press the intestine and lessen your sugar. I'll tell you, last month when I had sugar problem, I realized that this is the best asana, so I started doing it. Within 1 month, I'll tell you, my sugar level went so down that the doctor has asked me to stop medicine now. So don't think we are fooling here. What you learn is for your future. You are drinking too much of cold drinks, you are drinking too much of sugar. And you don't realize it because one boy is already diabetic over here. Yes, I know. That's the reason what I'm trying to say. You're lucky you are healthy. So when I teach you something to be healthy, then do it. It is for your body, not for our body. You come for a camp to learn something. Do it, come on.
So basically we are doing this exercise to keep ourselves fit. When you will do this exercise, then you will be fit and we will achieve our goal of Red Cross that we are healthy. So if you are not falling sick, you can help others also. So this is the third exercise. Fourth one is called Sukshma Pranayam. You have to breathe completely out and then...
So as I told you all, breathe in, breathe out. After breathing out, start pressing your stomach inside without taking a breath. Okay, you understand what I'm saying?
And when you are tired, you can relax.
My stomach is paining.
Chest pain.
इसके बाद में do like this.
सही मस्त.
Yeah.
Sir,
Hold it for 2 seconds. Don't straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Old man. You know to change your to exercise.
See, again,
Kushan and Sikshan boys are doing very nicely.
press like this in a opposite direction. This is for exercise for head.
Circulation of the head. Breathe in, press to one side.
You have to breathe from which nose?
From the left obvious first.
And then catch on the right side.
Yes.
I can't do that.
And press that.
I can be from both.
What? What? Here we go.
You breathe in and press. Breathe out. Again, breathe in.
Good morning, students. As you know, I am from Red Cross and I am a coordinator of Junior Red Cross. We have a one-day picnic coming up on the 1st of September. We are going at Bhupuri waterfall. Like it's a monsoon picnic. I have sent the circular to your school also. And apart from your school, there will be more other schools coming up for this picnic. So Rakesh sir will be doing the announcement in your school after taking the permission from your principal, and accordingly you people can take part in it. Like it's a one-day picnic. The charges for the picnic is 450, and you can give your names to this. It's a Bhupuri waterfall, Karjat. Then apart, that's a one-day picnic, and the charges are 450. Talking about our camp, we have a camp coming up in the month of Diwali vacation. That is from 19th to 23rd of November, and we are going Khandala. Now in my camp, you will not, it's not only one school is there, but there will be more than 5 to 6 schools coming together.
My name is Kevin Van. I'm studying in standard 9th there. I go to St. Stanislaus High School. I love the boarding trip. On the first day, we reached our dormitories, and then after that we visited the Aswali Dam, and we saw the Chiku farm in the center. Then we visited the other part of the Aswali Dam where it is deeper than the one. Then there are many types of fishes which range from at least 5 feet, which are found in the Aswali Dam, and that thing is actually it's not a dam, it's a canal.
Thank you very much.
My name is Sheldon. I belong to class 7C, and my name of my school is St. Stanislaus High School. This is a very beautiful place, as you can see. Like this, it's very rare. Hi, my name is Akshay Kamkala. I am from 7th A St. Stanislaus High School, and my roll number 22. We have enjoyed the 4D picnic very much. It was not only a fun picnic, but an educational tour too. We went till now to the historic dam and to the Bodhi beach.
Day 2 of Bodhi trip. This is Stanislaus guys now going to an Adivasi school, and later on the Red Cross representative Bhavesh who will show them some of the things on the way. We would be shown vermiculture. So guys, you want to say hi on the camera? Okay. All you guys over here, you want to say a big hello? Hello! Who all do you want to say thank you to?
Thank you, sirs.
Which sirs? Name the sirs.
And you.
And what about Sir Bhavesh?
And Sir Bhavesh.
What about a big thank you to Father Jude? Say a loud thank you to vermiculture pit. And in this vermiculture pit, they have a combination of cow dung and garbage, and they breed earthworms in it to fertilize the soil, which is sold as compost. Students holding the earthworm in his hand. What's your name?
Shane Kinney.
Shane, are you getting frightened of this earthworm?
No.
You're enjoying it?
Yes.
Do you know what does the earthworm help in?
It helps in making the soil.
It helps in not making the soil, helps in making the soil rich.
So the earthworm helps to make the soil rich, and it helps the farmer because makes the soil fertile.
Thank you very much. Thank you. This is Subhash Save, our host in boarding. He has now brought us to a vermiculture project of his, and he is going to be explaining to the students on vermiculture.
Project. Vermiculture means from use of earthworm we can make the fertilizer, that is called vermicompost. And those farmers are using this kind of fertilizer and doing their farming is called natural farming. It's a kind of fertilizer and it's very good. The product which will use the product which farmers use this fertilizer and they produce, that will not harmful for your body because there is no chemical in the fertilizer.
All are same types.
Yes. So that's why this fertilizer is very useful, and to make, government is giving the project, subsidy project. Now I have taken 15 lakhs from the government to make this vermiculture project. So I have to pay 5 lakhs 25 rupees less from 15 lakhs. This is subsidy for me. Government giving no interest. Huh?
Interest
on 5.25 lakhs I don't have to pay interest. That is free. So only 975, no? 10. That much I have to pay.
For 15.
Within 3 years. 3 to 4 years, 5 years.
So because you're doing something for government,
Huh?
because you're doing something for government, right?
No, this is a project which gives the means रोजगार का संधि उपलब्ध होता है, गरीब लोग भी कर सकते हैं project.
That's what
Government is helping to do this project and earn money. That's why they are providing subsidy. So now see that liquid. Here you can see the liquid.
Yes, yes.
That liquid is called as vermi wash. It is also used as a fertilizer or insecticide. It can be sold on the rate of till the end also. पूरा water dissolve होगा ही नहीं, इसके ऊपर store रहेगा. और we have put it fishes here inside. So this farm pond is useful for water to use for irrigation as well as for the fishing. Breeding of fish. Now that this fish become till 1 kg size and rate of the fish 120 rupees per kg. So many fishes they have put it.
Israel and नाम के
सिलोनी.
सिर्फ एक ही टाइप है.
सिलोनी. हाँ एक ही. ना वो दूसरे में छोड़ने जा रहा हूँ लेकिन वो थोड़ा बाद में. इनको देखो वो जो लकड़ी और जो दिखता है ना वो उनका खाना है ब्रीडिंग. इनको खाना क्या चलता है? पाव, टोस्ट का भुक्का या चावल का जो आटा होता है ना वो कुंडा बोलते हैं उसको. कुंडा. कंजी बोलते हैं. हाँ वो खाना इसका है. और ये मॉस खाते हैं अंदर का शेवाल. एलगी. हाँ वो खाना है. ऐसे पूरा झुंड का झुंड घूमता है.
That's because that is very easy for them.
शाम के टाइम में बहुत खाना
These are the boys of St. Stanislaus School at this moment of time in a school for Adivasi children in Bordi. They have brought a lot of stationery which will be distributed to the children. A big thank you to Save sir, who's helping us to coordinate everything. And the boys are now going to be distributing these things to the children. So I would like the children of Stanislaus School, please follow the instructions of your teachers, who will guide you how to give it to the children. Yeah. Now, these are the children of the school, of Adivasi school in Bordi. Yeah. Okay, this is distributing the notebook. One of the 9th standard student who is distributing the notebook. The children out here at this class, the Stanislaus School has decided to give the gifts that they have brought for these underprivileged children, Adivasi children of Bordi School. This is teacher Sunanda of Bordi High School. She teaches the 1st and 2nd standard student. And on behalf of Stanislaus School, we would like to say, teacher Sunanda, thank you very much. Thank you.
शाळेचे नाव काय आहे? शाळेचे नाव बोला. शाळेचे नाव काय आहे? डोंगरी पाठशाळा, मराठी मीडियम शाळा आहे. आम्ही इकडे आलो, तुम्हाला कसं वाटतो? बरं वाटतो? तुम्हाला काय आवडतं इकडे? काय चांगला होता नोटबुक? आम्ही दिले तुम्हाला नोटबुक मिळाला तुम्हाला? आणि बिस्किट, शॉर्पनर आणि पेन्सिल झाली. आणि तुमच्या शिक्षकाचे नाव काय आहे? वर्ग शिक्षिका राजू. आणि
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. This is a Palna Ghar for the Adivasi children in Bordi School. These are infant children of Adivasi laborers who are taken care of over here and ensured nutritional food and taken good care of. This is a small child in a cradle out here, and there are small babies and infant, a very beautiful child out here in a cradle who's getting scared. And this is the teacher. This is the teacher who's taking care of all the lovely children out here. And these are the school. Day 2, at this moment in time, we are in a government hospital. And these are Stanislaus boys visiting a government hospital in a remote village in Bordi. And we'll be showing the facilities of how the villages over here are taken care of.
जिल्हा परिषद कार्यालय ठाणा, त्याचं हे उपविभाग आहे. याला सांगतात प्राथमिक आरोग्य केंद्र गोलवड.
प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर.
प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर गोलवड एक ग्रामीण हॉस्पिटल है
इन रूरल एरिया. इट इज इन द रूरल एरिया. ओके.
तो ये प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर का पॉपुलेशन है 42,000.
42,000 पॉपुलेशन.
इसका 11 सब सेंटर है, उप विभाग.
ये मेन है, इसके सब सेंटर है.
विलेज रहते हैं ना, विलेज.
हाँ, छोटे छोटे विलेज. उधर प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर छोटे छोटे, सब सेंटर इट्स कॉल्ड. 5,000 पॉपुलेशन, 3,000 पॉपुलेशन, एक सब सेंटर है.
सब सेंटर में एक आरोग्य सेविका रहता है, एक MPW रहता है, मेल कर्मचारी और फीमेल कर्मचारी।
This is the final day when the Stanislaus High School guys are now leaving Bordi to go back to Bombay. And the hotel we were living in is called Hotel Sangeeta General Stores. We had a wonderful host by the name of Save, who you saw in the earlier videos, really taking good care of us. All the students are now made to wear their school jerseys or their school uniform. And guys, you want to say a big bye to Bordi?
I want to see your face. I want to count.
This is Sir Neville doing the head count.
8.
A final thank you to Sir Bhavish for all the wonderful coordination that you did, and we hope our students will learn more of Red Cross from you. Thank you so much indeed. Okay guys, y'all want to shout a big thank you to this auntie over here? Shout, आंटी आपको थैंक यू बोल रहा है, सब लोग आपको थैंक यू बोल रहा है. This is the host, Mother, Save's mother, who take great care of us. A big thank you to her for being a wonderful host. A big thank you to the 9th standard guys for helping us. Thank you so much indeed for helping us. We are now waiting for the train from Golwad back to Bombay, and these are Stanislaus guys who have enjoyed their trip in Bordi. And guys, I hope you'll say a big thank you to Sir Pathak. Can you say a big thank you?
Thank you, Sir Pathak.
And a big thank you to Sir Neville. No, he should hear it there.
Thank you, Sir Neville. Thank you, Sir Neville.
A big thank you to Sir Bhavesh. And a big thank you to Father Jude.